One of the most powerful creative features inside Supernova is the customizable internal routing controls. This gives you the ability to completely change how your reverb and delay engines interact, opening up entirely new sonic possibilities for your mix. By default, Supernova loads with the reverb and delay engines running in parallel. This means the dry signal feeds separately into both the reverb and the delay, and you can blend them freely using the Reverb Delay blend slider. This is perfect when you want independent control over the amount of reverb and delay, without the two affecting each other. Most of the time when you're working on a mix, this is a great mode to use as it's most similar to what you're probably used to hearing. But with just a click, you can unlock completely different signal paths, which can be really powerful for creating different spatial effects. We have these two series routing options. The first sends the dry signal into the reverb engine. Then the output of the reverb engine gets fed into the input of the delay engine. This gives each delay tap its own space and depth, creating a more three-dimensional rhythmic delay that feels deeper than your typical delay. It's a powerful way to add atmosphere without losing clarity and separation. Here's one way I like to set this up. I like to use a really tight room reverb so that we can still hear the articulation of the delays. Take a listen to how these delays feel pushed back a bit due to the added ambience. Another way I like to set this up is to create a reverse reverb effect. Simply choose the reverse delay algorithm, and I'll usually set this with a pretty long delay time, maybe 1 bar. Then I'll use a lush, long reverb to send into the reverse delay. Take a listen to what this sounds like. As you can see, there are tons of possibilities to explore when we mix and match different reverbs and delays with this custom routing option. Let's take a look at the next routing option. This is also a series option, but this time the dry signal goes into the delay engine and then feeds from the output of the delay engine into the input of the reverb. Take a listen to some of the expansive spaces we can create with this mode. This is because with every tap of the delay, we're sending another copy of the signal through the hybrid reverb engine, which produces this insanely massive, multiplied reverb texture. It's really fun to play with when you want something that sounds unlike anything else. This flexible routing system lets you build more complex, expressive spatial effects, all without needing to set up separate plugin chains in your DAW. So whether you want tight, focused spaces, expansive, blooming echoes, or completely new hybrid textures, Supernova gives you the creative tools to make it happen faster and easier than ever before. To dig deeper into the reverb algorithms, presets, and more, check out the other videos in this series on our channel. And if you haven't yet, try Supernova free in your next session at neuroaudio.com. We can't wait to hear what you make with it.